Every hour you're offline, someone else is capturing your customers in every language. Your business doesn't need more tasks. It needs automation that runs 24/7 and sells for you. Welcome to TubbysAI. Calls going to voicemail? Our multilingual AI receptionists pick up instantly, qualify leads, and book appointments day or night. Site traffic not turning into sales? We build high-converting, multilingual websites that turn visitors into customers. Support tickets piling up? Our AI chatbots answer questions, capture leads, and help customers around the clock. E-commerce falling behind? We automate your store to sell, sync, and scale worldwide. Stop chasing prospects. Start running a business that keeps growing while you sleep. Book your free strategy call with TubbysAI today and wake up to results.